In this video, we're going to look at another very simple concept for beginning pianists, beginning improvisers. We have talked about the 5-note, 1 finger per white key pentascale, and all these hand positions throughout the keyboard named by the bottommost tone or the leftmost note. So this is a G pentascale hand position, that's an F pentascale hand position, D, C, middle C, B, A, in either hand. Pentascale. We know triads, every other note, as a block and broken in various ways. What we're going to be looking at, same position, but we're going to take out this middle note of the triad. This is a very, very common sound in piano music, particularly in certain popular styles. It's what's called a power chord in rock, in hard rock, in popular music of all different styles. What's called the open fifth. Why do they call it a fifth? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're using the 1 or the root and the fifth only. You're not putting in the third, 1, 2, 3. So here's the pentascale. I'll do it up here around middle C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the triad. First note, the third note, and the fifth. But also there is taking the third note out and just being left with that open fifth. Particularly with the piano in the left hand. Of the open fifth. Does it have to be block? It doesn't. You can also break this up. Maybe in the right hand. Maybe this one is block and this one is broken. To F, to G, to A, to C, to D, entire time have been in the same position, both in the G pentascale position or the A pentascale position or the C, what have you. They were traveling around together in parallel motion. That is the nature of the open fifth.